What are you doing, Miss Leona?
Oh, hi everybody. Welcome to Booze Clues. Today, I'm trying to make up a song for our special letter today. Our letter is the letter, who can tell me what the letter is? No, it's not S. Little hand, look at the objects on my table. E, A, E, A, E. I'm going to put my piano away. I'm going to have to save this for later. I'm not very good at it. But I always try. I give it my all. Remember, never give up. Maybe you'll be amazing someday. Miss Leona? Not so amazing. Hi guys, how are you? Come on in. Today we are doing the letter E. The letter E. The phonic sound for E is eh, eh, eh. The action is like breaking an egg. I go, so I go, eh, eh, eh. Just like that. The sound I'm looking for is eh. The action, eh, eh, E, eh, eh. The sound. Come over and have a look at my table today. We have so many things here today. I went around my house and I looked and I thought, I'm going to get some things that begin with A and some that don't. So you're going to have to help me. Things that begin with E, with the sound eh, and things that don't. Here I went through my toy box and I found some eggs. Eggs. Maybe later I'll put some earrings on. Earrings into my ears. Earrings. Lots and lots of earrings. I have beautiful, beautiful earrings. I have the letter E. I also have the number 8. I'm not going to win at any cards here if I have all the 8s, eh? 8s. I fly on an airplane, and when I fly, I like to fly with Emirates. Emirates Airlines. I also got some mail, and my mail came in an envelope. E. So we're looking at what the beginning sounds today, and the phonic sound of E, and the letter formation. Okay, I'm just going to scooch a few of these things over. Why don't you come down here and let's see what objects are hidden in my rice. And you tell me, does it begin with E or no? No beginning sound. E, beginning sound, no beginning sound. Okay, I'm going to dig through. Looking for the letter E. I'm going to dig through. And I'm looking for elephant. Does that beginning sound? Elephant. Yeah, right, it does. Thank you. How about the beginning sound of swing? Swing. It is the sound. We have done this week. Recently. Not this week. Recently. Swing. E or no? Beginning sound. Swing. You're right. Okay. How about mouse? Mouse. Come on, guess. Does it go over here in the E pile or the... That's right. Good job. I almost made that mistake myself too. Well, this one. Egg. I don't know. Look at it closely. Does it begin with egg? Yes, it's the E pile. How about this? When I was little, my mom used to say, use your ears for listening. Beginning sound? Ears or no pile? No, try again. Here, beginning sound. Okay, another one. Oh, on my body, I have this part right here. And it bends. Look, it bends right here. Bends. This bendy part of my body, I have two of these. One here, one here. Look at your body. Do you have two? These are my elbows. E or no E? That's right. I can hear you shouting at the screen. Good job. How about this? Miss Leona's pretty eyes. Eyes. Okay, I'm going to put them here. Are you sure? I don't know. I'm going to do it anyways. Okay. One more. Oh! I'm going to go outside later and I'm going to look for an eagle. Eagles. It is springtime. No? Okay, I put it over here. Good job. I'm so thankful you guys are here. You're helping me so much today. How about this? Eskimo. No? Oh, yes. Eskimo. Now the people up from the north are called Inuit. And a long time ago, they called them Eskimo. Envelope. We did this one already. Right? You guys got that one? A few more left here. Kite. Kite. E or no E? Kite. Oh, good job. Thank you, Miss Bronwyn's helping me film today. And she is even confused. She's like, I don't know. Help me. Help me. Aren't you, Bronwyn?
Mm-hmm.
She's confused too sometimes. Okay. How about elf? This is a character that we see a lot at Christmas time. Okay. Elf. Elf. Here? Or no E? Okay, I'm going to put it here. Good job. Oh, I'm so thankful you guys are here today because Bronwyn's not very much help. We have the letter E. That's fabulous, guys. Let's take a look one more time, Miss Bronwyn. Envelope, ears, elbow, Eskimo, elf, egg, elephant, eagle, eyes. Look over here with the no E's. We have swing, mouse, and kite. E things. Oh my gosh, you guys are so smart. I'm so thankful. I'm going to dig through a little bit more here. I'm going to push these things off to the side. And my little helper, would you come on over here? We're going to show how to write the letter E today. Where do we start our letters? We start our letters from the... Where do we start them, Bronwyn?
The bottom.
Is she right? Do we start them down here and go like this? Oh, Bronwyn, you're wrong again. Oh! We start them from the top. Here we go. Right here. And I'm going to go down. Can you see that? Down. Across. 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 Can you see that? Can you see really good? Down. Across. 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 Can you see that from there? A little bit? Okay, maybe I'll have to get my other board out. Here, little E, we start in a funny sort of place because this one is not in the top. This one is kind of in the middle and it goes out, up, and we stop. Can you see that? But we join this, so it goes out, around the top, and stop. Can you see that? We start here. Out, around, touch, and stop. I know E is a funny letter. It reminds me of a C with a little tail joining here. Out, around, and stop. Big E, down, out like a little arm, out like a little arm, and out like a little arm. Can you see that even better? I hope so. There we go. So I like to use different things when I'm writing my letters. So today was the letter E. The phonic sound is The action is It's like breaking eggs. And you're breaking an egg. If you ask mommy or daddy, next time when they're cooking, if you can break some eggs with them, I go. Break. So I like to take my egg, I pretend, I use my imagination, I go. Break. So I just pretend with my hands. Break. 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 Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us today on Boo's Clues. I'll see you next week. Have a great day.